Hello grade 4, hello everybody. I hope you are fine, okay? Our lesson for today about the common multiples of two numbers or more and the lowest common multiple, okay? So, actually this lesson is so easy. It consists of two parts. The first part, how to find the common multiples. The second thing, how to find the lowest common multiples. The previous lesson we studied how to get the common factors and then the highest common factor. Why today we will get only the lowest common multiple? Actually, because the multiples unlimited. The multiples until infinity. So I can't determine all multiples. I will determine only the lowest common multiple. Let's see our lesson. The first thing here, common multiple for two numbers or more is a multiple of each of these numbers. The common multiple, the multiples who repeated every time. Okay, you have to know that 0 is common multiple of all numbers. We studied before that 1 is common factors for all numbers. Today we will study that 0 is a common multiple. So 0 is what? Common multiple for all numbers. Let's see example for this. The first example here. Find how many? Find 4 common multiples of 2 and 3. So what we will do? The first step, I will get some multiples of 2. Then some multiples of 3. You can remember the multiples mean what? The multiples mean the product of these numbers. Multiple of 2, 2 times equal what? 2 times what? Give me 2. 2 times 1. So 2 and 4 and 6 and 8. All of these products called what? Called multiples. Okay, let's see. Here, so the multiples of 2 is what? 0, because 2 times what? 2 times 0 give me 0. 2 times 1 give me 2. 2 times 2 give me 4. 2 times 3 give me 6. 2 times 4 give me 8. 2 times 5, 10, 6, and so on. Can I determine all of them? No, I can't, because it's unlimited. So I can't. It's extended to infinity. So I will find only some multiples for 2. Then I will determine some multiples of 3. 3, I will start with 0. Why 0? Because 0 is common multiple for all numbers. So always I will start with 0. So the multiples of 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. This means the table 3, timetable 3. I will write it. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. It means every time I will add 3. Every time I will add 3. Here mean table 2. Mean every time I will add 2. Add 2. Jumping by 2 steps every time. That's it. Here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is the multiple of 2. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is multiples of 3. Now I need the common multiple. Here is the common multiple. Here 0 and here 0. What else? Here 2. There is no 2. Here 3. There is no 3. Here 4. No 4. Here 6 and here 6. Okay, what else? Here 9. We don't have 9 here. 10. There is no 10 here. Here 12 and here 12. That's excellent. 15. There is no 15 here. 14. There is no 14 here. 16. There is no 16 here. What about 18? 18 here and 18 here. So now I have how many common between the two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 common. So this common is the 4 common multiples. Who asked me to find only 4? I need only 4 common multiples of 2 and 3. And this is the solution. So 0, 6, 12, and 18. Here 0. I'm sorry. 0, 6, 12, and 18 are 4 common multiples of 2 and 3. And this is what he asked me to do. The next example here. Find 3 common multiples. So I need only 3 common multiples between, the 3 common multiples of what? Of 12 and 18. Let's see. The multiples of 12, 0, 12, every time I will add 12, I will add 12, I will add 12, 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and so on. Then the multiples of 18, it will be 0, 18, 36, 54, 72, and so on. So the common multiples of 12 and 18 will be what? Let's see what repeated here, 0 and here 0. So 0 repeated in both of them. What about 12? There is no 12 here. What about 18? There is no 18 here. What about 24? There is no 24 here. What about 36? Actually, 36 here and 36 here. What else repeated? If you look, you will find here we have 72 and here we have 72. So these are the 3 common factors. So 0, 36, and 72. So 0, 36, 72 are the 3 common factors. 3 common factors. Oh, he asked me to find 3. So these are only 3 common factors of what? Of 12 and 18. If you look here, you will observe that is 0 repeated every time. Here. Now I need the lowest common multiple. How I find the lowest common multiple? Actually, I can't find the highest common multiple because this is unlimited. So I can't get the highest one or the largest one, but I can get the smallest one or the lowest common multiple. What I will do? We have 2 methods. We have what? 2 methods. The first method here, to find the lowest common multiple of 2 or more numbers, you can do one of the following. Here we have 2 methods. The first method, the first thing, to find the multiple of each number. Then, so the first step, find the multiples of each number. The second step is what? Find the common multiples of these numbers. Then, determine the lowest common multiple except 0. Except what? 0. I can't say every time, because every time 0 will be the lowest common multiple. So I can't get or determine or take this 0 as a lowest common multiple. So I will determine the lowest common multiple, the lowest one, except 0. Except what? 0. Let's see an example. This is the first method. So the first method, what I will do? The first step, I will get the multiples of these numbers. Then I will get the common multiples of these numbers. Then I will determine the lowest common multiple except 0. Here, and the example number 1. Find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. The solution will be what? I will get the multiples of 9. The multiples of 9 will be 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and so on. What about the multiples of 12? Let's see the second one. The multiples of 12, 0, 12, 24. Every time I will add 24. Here, every time I will add 9. That's it. And so on. So, what is the common multiple? Let's see. Here we have 0. Here we have 0. But 0 every time will repeat. Something except 0. Here, let's see. Because here I need the lowest, so I can't take 0. Okay, let's see. What else common? Here 9, but here there is no 9. Here 12, no 12. Here 18, no 18. 24, no 24. 27, no. 36, yes. Here we have 36, and here we have 36. So 36 is a common. What else common between them? 45, no. Here 48. Here 60, 54, 62, no. Here we have 72, and here we have 72. So the common multiples here is what? 36 and what? 72. I can't write here 0. Why? Because if I write it here, it will be the lowest common. And here I said, he asked me to find the lowest, and I need the lowest multiple except 0. I can't take this 0. So here, which one is the lowest or the smallest? Of course, 36. So the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12 is what? Is 36. That's it. I will get the smallest one, it will be the lowest common multiple. This is the first case. Here, again, find the common multiples. So, by the same way, find the common multiples. If he asked me common, so I will do the first way. The first way means what? I will get the multiples of each number, and then I will get the common multiples. Then I will determine from these common multiples the lowest common multiple. So, here, find the common multiples of the following numbers, then deduce the lowest common multiple of them. Let's see the first one. Here we have what? Here we have 12 and 16. 2 we have what? Number 2 we have 10, 12 and 15. Let's see the first one. Okay. Here we have 12 and 16. The multiple of 12 will be what? Will be 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. What about this? I will do this by the same way. Actually, I will leave it as a homework for you. Let's do something else. Let's know what the other way. But you have to know that when he asked you to find the common multiples, you have to use this way to find the multiples of each number, then to determine the common multiples, then determine the lowest common multiple. Here, the second method factorize these two numbers to their prime number. This is the second way as the highest common factor. Yes, the first step is what? To factorize this number to its prime factors. Then find the lowest common multiple. Let's see this. We have here an example. Find the lowest common multiple of what? Of 18 and 36. Let's do what we will do. Here. So I will factorize these numbers according to its prime factors. Okay, so I will take the first number 18 and I will write 18 here. 18. Here I have 8, so it's divisible by 2. Can I divide it by 2? Yes. 18 over 2 give me 9. 9. Can I divide it by 3? Yes. 9 divided 3 give me 3. 3 divided 3 give me 1. Until I reach 1, I will stop. I have to reach 1 here. That's it. The second number, 36. 36. I can divide it over 2 and over 3, both of them, because here I have 6, so I can divide it over 2. And if I add 6 plus 3 give me 9. 9 divisible by 3, so this number, all of it divisible by 3. So 36 divided by 3 give me 12. 12 divided 3 give me 4. 4 divided 2 give me 2. 2 divided 2 give me 1. So I will stop here. This is the first method. It's the division method. What about the tree method? I will take number 18. 18 equal what? Any two numbers. 2, you can write 2 times 9 or 3 times 6. So 3 will be 3 as it is. Here, 6, what about 6? 6 equal what? 6 equal 2 times 3. Until reach here the prime factors, I will stop. That's it. I can't stop here because here we have 6. 6 is not a prime factor. So what I will do, I will factorize this 6. 6 equal what? 6 equal 2 times 3. So that's it. What about 36? 36 equal what? You can write 36 equal 4 times 9 and analyze 4 and analyze 9. It will be the same result. And here we choose 6 times 6. 6 equal what? 2 times 3. And this 6, 2 times 3. So I will stop until reach the prime factor. That's it. What I will do next? The next thing here, I will write 18 equal what? 18 equal 3 times 2 times 3. What about 36 equal 2 times 3 times 2 times 3? Let's see how I write it. The first one here. 18 equal what? 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 times 3. That's it. What about 36? 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. How I write it? I will choose 2. Here we have 2, 2. But here we have 1, 2. So I will take this 2 and I write 2 under 2. And then the 2, 3 under the 2, 3. But I have only 1, 2 extra. I will write it here, far away. Then to find the lowest common multiple. Here, this and this repeated. So I will take 1. This and this repeated. I will take 1. This and this repeated. I will take 1. In the HCF, if we found it alone, we will leave it. But here in the lowest common multiple, if you find 1 alone, you have to write it. You have to what? To write it. You can't leave anything. If it's common or not, nothing here, you have to write it. So I will take from these 2 only 1. From this 3 only 1. From this 3 only 1. Then 2 here alone, but I will take it. I will write it. So this is called what? This is the only difference between HCF and LCM. So the lowest common multiple here equal what? Equal 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. Equal what? Equal 36. Because 2 times 3 give me what? 6. 6 times 3 give me what? 18. 18 times 2 give me what? 36. That's it. Let's see another example by using the same way. Here we have okay, the first one, 12. He asked me to find the HCF, the highest common factor, and the lowest common multiple of each of the following groups of numbers. Oh, so I have to find both of them, HCF and LCM. Let's see how I do this. What about 12? I will use the method of tree method, okay? I will factorize it according to its prime number. 12 equal what? 12 equal 3 times 4. And this 4 equal what? 4 equal what? 2 times 2. So now we have 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, I'm sorry. What about 14? 14 equal what? 14 equal, so easy, 2 times 7. That's it. So I will write here 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3. What about 14 equal what? Equal 2 times 7. 2 times 7. So I will write 2 under 2. What about this? There is no 2 here, so I will leave it. There is no 3 here, I will leave it. So time is what? 7. So I will write 7 here far away. So to find highest common factor, who can remember? Highest common factor is what? I will choose the common between them only. Here we have 2 and here we have 2. So I will write 2. What else? 2 here, there is no 2 here. 3 here, there is no 3 here. 7 here, there is no 7 here. So the highest common factor is only 2. What about the lowest common multiple? Here we have 2 and 2, so I will take 1, 2 times. Here we have 2, but here we have nothing. I leave this 2? No, I will write it. In the lowest common multiple, you have to write everything. Then, here we have 3. Here we don't have 3. You have to write it. I can't leave anything in the lowest common multiple. What about this 7? Here we have 7 and here we don't have 7. No problem, write it. So, the lowest common multiple here equal what? 2 times 2 give me what? Give me 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 times 7 equal what? Actually, it's large number. Yes? Oh yes, it's large number. But it's equal what? It's equal 48. It's equal what? 48. I'm sorry, 84. It's equal what? 84. Okay? If you don't know, make a margin, small margin, and write 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So it will be 12 times 7. Like this. 7 times 2 equal 14. 4 and they carry up 1. 1 times 7, 7 plus 1. So it will be 8. So the result here will be 84, so it's 84. So now I can find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. And now I know the difference between them. So this will be homework for you. That's it. I hope you answer it and write it and write the answer in the comment. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy and understand. If you want to ask about something, please write it in a comment. Goodbye.